In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust navigation spacing on Squarespace. If your menu links feel a little too cramped together, or maybe they're spread out more than you'd like, tweaking the navigation spacing is a quick way to clean up your site's header and make it easier to read. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this setting in Squarespace and how to adjust it so your navigation looks just right. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in your site's dashboard, look toward the top right and click on the option to edit your site. This will open a larger live preview of your website where you can see how your pages actually look. At the top of this preview, you'll see another edit button, usually near the top left. Click that to enter the main site editor. Now you're in the space where you can make visual changes directly on your page. Next, move your mouse up to your site's header area where your logo and navigation links are. Hover over the header until you see a small option appear that says Edit Site Header. Click that. This will open up a panel or toolbar dedicated to your header settings. Inside this header editor, look for a button or link that says Edit Design. It typically appears around the lower right area of the header section once you're in header editing mode. Click on Edit Design, and a drop-down or side panel with design options will appear. In this design menu, find the section labeled Spacing. Under that, you'll see a setting called Link Spacing. This is the control that affects how much space there is between each navigation link in your header. You'll see a slider underneath Link Spacing. Click and drag this slider left or right to adjust the spacing. Sliding it to the left will bring your navigation links closer together, while sliding it to the right will spread them further apart. As you move the slider, keep your eye on the live preview of your header so you can instantly see how the changes look. Take a moment to find a spacing that feels balanced and easy to read, especially on desktop view. When you're happy with how it looks, simply exit the header editor and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the navigation spacing on your Squarespace site.